Good morning. I hope you're watching this video in the morning. You know what? Comment down below at what time of the day you're watching this video. So this video is for you to learn some ASL words before you go to work or before you go to school, or if you're staying at home, you learn some morning routines in ASL. Make sure you watch this video at the end where you're going to practice to see if you can remember all the signs you just learned. You ready? Okay, let's get started. Morning. Have your non-dominant hand stationary and you take your dominant hand and you put it up like this, making sure your non-dominant hand is in the crack of your elbow right here and your dominant hand is up like this. Morning. Like this. Morning. Sleep. Sleep. To sign sleep, have your dominant hand open like this. Start from the top of your head and then you pull it down like this. Sleep, right? Like your eyes are closing. Sleep. Wake up. Have your two hands right in front of your face, having your thumb and your index finger out like this, and then you open it like this, like you're opening your eye like this. Wake up. Have it down and then you open it like this. Wake up. Brush teeth. Have your dominant hand, the index finger out like this, put it in front of your mouth and you do a left and right motion as though you're brushing your teeth like this. Brush teeth. Some people sign brush teeth like this, right? Like you're holding the toothbrush like this. Brush teeth. I prefer the sign brush teeth. Shower. Have your dominant hand in front of your head and you have it open and closed like this. Shower. So you're doing this motion like the water is dropping on your head like this. Shower, right? Twice. Shower. Or you can sign bath, right? Basically have your two hands, the thumb out like this, put it on top of your chest and you do an up and down motion as though you're scrubbing your body. Bath. Clothe or get dressed. Have your two hands open like this, put it in front of your chest and you do a downward motion like this twice. Clothe or get dressed. Hair. Just have your dominant hand on top of your head like this, like you're trying to pick a strand off of your hair like this. Hair, right? So it's basically doing an F sign on top of your head, right? Hair. Makeup. Have your dominant hand closed like this, put it in front of your face and you do this motion as though you're tapping, right, on your face like this. Makeup. Makeup. So how you doing so far? I hope you're learning these words and practicing them. Make sure you stay to the end to see if you can remember these words. Also, if you want to have some lessons with me, either in a group class or one-on-one, make sure you check the link down in the description box or in the comment section. That way you register to have a chance or an opportunity to meet with me so you learn and practice all these words that you just learned in this video. I am so excited to see you and I hope that you're excited to continue learning and practicing your ASL skills. Ready? Ready. Have your two hands in an L sign like this, that is crossing your index and your middle finger like this, and you stand like this and you pull it out like this. Ready. Breakfast. Breakfast or breakfast. The first sign of breakfast is doing food or eat, and you do morning. That shows the food in the morning is breakfast, right? Or the short way is do the B sign and you tap on your chin like this. Breakfast. Coffee. Coffee. Have your two hands in the fist position like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary and you take your dominant hand and you do a circular motion on top of your non-dominant hand as though you're stirring your coffee, right? Coffee. Tea. Tea. For tea, keep your non-dominant hand in the fist position like this, stationary. Then you take your dominant hand in an F sign like this and you put it in and pull it out twice. This shows you dipping the back of the tea in the water, right? Or in the cup like this. Tea. Water. Have your dominant hand in the W sign like this and you tap the index finger on your chin. Water. Water. Lunch. Lunch. Have your dominant hand in the L sign like this and you tap on your chin like this. Lunch. Lunch. Bag or bag. The first way of signing bag is the backpack, right, that you wear on your back, right? So this one you do like this, bag. So basically having your two hands like this in the C position, you put it on your chest and you do an up and down motion like this. Bag, right? Bag. The second way is just doing this motion. Bag, right? So if your bag is like a one hand bag, right, that you wear on your shoulder, this is a sign for that kind of bag. Bag. Work. work. So have your two hands in the fist position like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary and you take your dominant hand and you tap twice on your non-dominant hand like this. Work. Make sure the wrist is tapped on the back of your non-dominant hand like this. Work. School. School. To sign school, have your two hands flat like this. Keep your non-dominant hand stationary and you take your dominant hand and you tap twice on your non-dominant hand like this. School. Office. Office. Have your two hands in the O sign like this, right? Have them join together and you do a circular motion and you join them like this. So you start like this with the tip of your finger facing outward like this and you do a circular motion and the back of your fingers facing outward. You see that? Office. Like this. Office. Class. Class. Have your two hands in the C sign like this. Start like this, right? Where the fingertips are facing outward with your two hands joined together, and then you separate them doing a circular motion and you joining them like this, where the back of your fingers are facing outward, right? Like this. Class. Phone or phone. So the first way of signing phone, which is slowly reducing, is this sign phone, right? Because this sign is like the olden days phone. Phone, right? So basically have your hand in the Y sign and then you put it close to your ear where the pinky finger is down and the thumb is up like this. Phone. The second way of signing phone is having your hand in the C position like this, like you're holding a smartphone and you put it close to your ear like this. Phone, right? Phone. Either you see phone or phone. Key. Key. Have your dominant hand, the index and the thumb held together like this, as though you're holding a key. You see this? Like this, right? Held together like this, and you do a twist like you're trying to open a door. Key, right? Do the twist twice. Key. Meeting. Meeting. So have your two hands flat like this, right? Do this, right? You join them, right? Meeting. This is the same as conference. Leave or leave. The first way of signing leave is like this. Leave. That is having your two hands flat like this, right? Slightly closed like this. The dominant hand is a little bit above the non-dominant hand. And you do this motion. As you're pulling them up, you're closing them like this. Leave. Leave. Another way is leave. Have your two hands flat like this. Put them together and your dominant hand does this motion like this. Leave. Like a swift backward motion like this. Leave. There are other ways that you can sign leave, but for now let's just learn this two, okay? Leave or leave. Late. Late. Have your dominant hand, put it on the side of your waist like this and you flip it backward like this. Late. Late. Early. Early. Have your non-dominant hand resting like this. They take your dominant hand, the middle finger, you swipe it like this. So you swipe it from this side to the front like this. Early. Start from here and you swipe to the front. Early. So now I'm going to sign some of these words that you just learned. I will see if you can remember them, okay? So comment down in the comment section below how many you remembered.